Tracking product or service delivery and fulfillment is an important way to make sure that your business is meeting your clients' needs. And in a nutshell, you can create custom sales pipelines to help you do just that. Let's walk through how to customize a pipeline for tracking delivery and fulfillment. Under the Sales menu, you'll go under Automation and click on Pipelines. Select the pipeline you want to edit. In this delivery pipeline, we have 3 stages: order in, delivery, and received. I want to create a custom pipeline rule for the order in stage and flag leads if they become overdue by remaining in the stage for more than 30 days. This will help me ensure that I'm delivering products and services in a timely manner. I can create a similar automation for the delivery stage by marking leads if they remain in the stage for too long, or automatically closing leads if they remain in the stage for more than a set number of days. In this example, I want to set a stage goal to learn something about the lead in order to advance it. Let's advance the lead automatically if we collect an actual ship date for our product. That way we know the product is on the way to the client. Finally, I'll also add an automation for the received stage to mark leads as overdue if they remain in this stage for more than 30 days. I also want to ensure that sales reps are following up on shipments. So let's add a task 2 weeks after the stage is entered to remind lead owners to follow up on the shipment. Now our product is in the client's hands, but what if we want to add more automations afterward? We can create follow-through tasks and reminders to follow up with leads after the lead is closed. This reminder is to contact them for a reorder 1 month after they receive their shipment.